I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating basic variables. Plug your PC or console into Ethernet and reboot modem, router, and device. Once devices restart, run a speed test to capture ping, jitter, and packet loss so you have a baseline. Make sure background apps are closed, updates, cloud sync, and streaming steal latency. You should also check ISP status and known outages if you see high packet loss. Document times and values before proceeding to configuration and hardware inspection. Once done with basics, dive into your router settings and tune the network. You should enable quality of service and prioritize your gaming device or specific game ports to reduce contention during peak usage. Change DNS to a lower latency resolver and test results. Faster DNS reduces initial lookup delays. Update router firmware, lower wireless channel interference if still using Wi-Fi, and disable unnecessary services that add processing overhead. This reduces. Finish by validating hardware and path quality. Swap in a known good Ethernet cable, try alternate router LAN ports, and test a direct connection to the modem. If wiring isn't possible, test a quality powerline adapter or a wired switch to reduce Wi-Fi hops, count hops, and watch jitter. Run long ping tests while gaming to capture patterns. If latency or packet loss remains, collect your logs and trace routes, then contact your ISP with evidence so they can investigate routing or line issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.